What is up, guys? This is LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to do another reaction video. Our next reaction is going to be another cartoon lover YTP. It's called Your Sad Strange Little Man. This is one of his popular ones, if I recall. And yeah, I'm right, it is. Also has 2.7 million views as I'm seeing right now. It's uploaded 4 years ago, which is quite old. Also, there is a sequel to this called You Are Still a Sad Strange Little Man, which I'll probably be reacting sometime later in the future. And let's begin our reaction, shall we? We'll get the full screen up. 3, 2, 1, go. Enough of the 420 comments, they're gay. What?
Anybody move? One-eyed Bart?
Bart. Touch.
You saved the day again, Woody.
I haven't seen.
Pull my days today. Hey, Ham! Look! I don't get it. Say yes. Draw.
Oh. I haven't seen Bobo in a long time. Damn. Also, I've never seen Toy Story. I haven't seen Toy Story in a while. Oh. Dun, dun, dun. Disney.
All calm butt down. This is Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head. It's a what?
Okay.
No one is getting replaced.
Wait, is that a troll doll?
No sign of intelligent life anywhere.
I'm Buzz Lightyear. What's that button do?
I'll show you.
He's not a space ranger. Can't. To infinity and beyond.
I like that quote. Read my pants again.
Listen, you stay away from our fear, and no one is taking us away from you. And another thing.
You're fucking me, aren't you?
Oh, no. Buzz, look at where? Aha!
Oh, no.
It's a melting with your scary lady. Buzz, I would love.
My leg.
Potato Head. That's Mrs. Potato Head to you. It was an accident, guys.
Accident!
You're gonna knock me out of the window too? Yeah?
Why is it only Smash now? No. Oh.
Like Buzz, you're long.
I'm gone. Andy is lost.
This entire universe is in jeopardy.
Wow! What are you talking about? Buzz!
You are a
Toy! Looney. Who's in charge here?
What?
Master. Hey,
Get down!
I don't know.
Butterflies. Oh. Okay, I never noticed that.
Buzz Lightyear, the sun.
Will you get out of here? Hi, Buzz.
Go away.
Oh, yeah? Tough guy? Woody?
Ooh.
Buck the frog. Stupid dog.
You made me look bad. Yeah.
We did it! We did it!
Dora.
This is the part where we missed the truck. We're not aiming for the truck.
Come on. What's these 9/11 jokes? I don't like it. It's getting old. What? Oh, that's it? This is LightningDude42 signing off.